Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix the scratch disk full error in Adobe Photoshop on Windows. First, make sure you have enough space in your disk before you launch Photoshop. Next, let's remove temporary files manually. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run box. Type %temp% into the box and press Enter. This will open a folder that contains temporary files stored by Windows. Press Ctrl and A to select all files in this folder. Then delete them. Some files may not delete because they are in use. You can skip those. Now let's try clearing the Photoshop cache, which can also take up a lot of space. Open Photoshop and go to the Edit menu at the top. Scroll down and select Purge. From the options, click on All. A message will appear warning you that the action cannot be undone. Click Continue to confirm. This will delete the Photoshop cache and may help free up more space. By clearing temporary files, clearing the Photoshop cache, you can fix the scratch disk full error and keep Photoshop running smoothly. Thanks for watching.